The most powerful AI in the world is basically doing one thing: guessing the next word. That's it. That's the whole trick. An LLM, a large language model, is a neural network trained on an almost incomprehensible amount of text. Books, websites, codes, conversations, basically the entire written internet. And it learned one job: given everything that came before, what word comes next? Now here's where it gets wild. Do that one thing billions of times across the trillions of words of training data. Suddenly it can write essays. It can debug code, summarize legal documents, hold a conversation. Not because it was explicitly taught any of that, but because predicting the next word at scale forces the model to understand structure, logic, and meaning. It's emergent. Nobody programmed it to reason, it just did. GPT, Claude, Gemini, Llama. Different companies, different sizes, but same core idea. The large in large language model, that refers to parameters, billions of adjustable weights inside the network. More parameters, more nuance the model can capture. So the next time you use ChatGPT and it blows your mind, remember, it's just a very large, very fast, next word guessing machine. And that's not a knock. That's actually what makes it remarkable. Follow for the next video. Drop your questions in the comments. I've been Daniel with Cadmus Lab. Thank you for tuning in for our AI Zero to Hero series. Have a great day.